In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopee to effectively make a purchase using cash on delivery as your payment method. Whether you're new to online shopping or a seasoned shopper, understanding how to confidently place an order is essential. So let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll need to go to Shopee's website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Shopee's web address, or using a search engine to quickly find the site. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and various categories. Shopee has a wide variety of products, so you may want to use the search bar at the top to find something specific or browse through the categories listed on the site to explore your options. Once you've spotted a product that catches your eye, click on it to view more details. You'll see information such as the price, specifications, and customer reviews, which are crucial to making an informed decision. Reviews and ratings can offer a lot of insight, so don't skip them. When you're ready and have checked that the product meets your needs, go ahead and add the item to your cart. Now, you'll want to proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll finalize your order, but before you click on anything, let's talk about setting up your payment method. On the checkout page, you'll be presented with different payment options. For today, we're focusing on cash on delivery. Select the cash on delivery option, which will allow you to pay for your product when it arrives at your doorstep. Be sure to double check your shipping address and contact details to ensure everything is correct. There's nothing worse than receiving your package late or not at all due to an address error. Also, if you have any promo codes or vouchers, this is the perfect time to apply them for some extra savings. Once everything looks good and you're sure about your selections, proceed by clicking Place Order. This will confirm your purchase, and you should receive a notification or a confirmation email shortly after, detailing your order summary and the expected delivery time. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through Shopee and placed an order with cash on delivery. It's simple once you get the hang of it, and now you can shop with confidence. I hope this guide has been helpful in easing any uncertainties you might have had about using Shopee. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.